The Gift of Kindness, a short moral story. On a chilly winter morning, an old man named Hari sat shivering by the roadside. Most people walked past him, too busy to notice. But one young girl, Mira, stopped. She took off her woolen scarf and gently wrapped it around his shoulders. "Are you hungry?" she asked. Hari nodded. Without hesitation, Mira ran to the nearby bakery and returned with a warm loaf of bread and a hot drink. Hari's eyes welled up. "Why are you helping me?" he whispered. Mira smiled. "My mother says kindness is a gift anyone can give, even if they have little." Years later, Mira was walking home from work in a storm when her car broke down. As she struggled with the rain and cold, a man stopped to help. He fixed her car and handed her a dry scarf. "Thank you," she said. He looked at her with a smile. "Long ago, a little girl gave me a scarf and kindness. I never forgot." Mira recognized him. It was Hari. Moral: kindness given without expecting anything in return always finds a way back to you. Thank you for watching.